Good News Suan Church held a joint worship service in the Gyeongjin area with Pastor Ok-soo Park invited. On the evening of Sunday the 17th, the service began with Pastor Yongju Park officiating in a chapel filled with believers. Following Pastor Lim Min-keil's prayer, Seoul Azalea Choir, Saesong Choir, Sasori Children's Choir, and Yongkian Ensemble gave congratulatory performances. Pastor Ok-soo Park read 1 Samuel chapter 17 and preached about David, who lived a bold life thanks to God. As I listen to today's message, the heart that can hit Goliath with a sling stone is a heart that expects God. Without that mind, we cannot go out. So, I decided to prepare a sling stone as well. The faith that follows the word, that faith is like preparing a sling stone, and I really felt like I wanted to throw away my thoughts and now live like that for the gospel. After, Pastor Choi Kwan's ordination ceremony was held, and congregation applauded in thanks and congratulations. On March 16th, there was a graduation ceremony for the 3rd and 4th classes of Good News Seminary, Thailand students at Good News Bangkok Church, Lincoln students, Good News Course, and the new song choir celebrated with performances, and graduate representative gave his impressions of graduation. A total of 31 people received certificates of completion, and 3 of them received awards for academic excellence. Pastor Ha-kil Kim, a professor at GNTS, delivered a congratulatory speech that the graduates will become people who will purify many. The Into Korea team, run by the Good News Incheon Church Youth Association, held a K-Culture festival titled Boat Korea at Toyama Park in Tokyo, Japan from the 15th to the 18th. About 40 local volunteers participated, and about 3,000 people visited 17 booths, including K-food, K-pop, taekwondo, and traditional games. The main event was enriched with performances by the youth team, the Japanese safari dance team, and local participating teams. The Into Korea team announced that they plan to continue the Go to Korea event by planning large and small events with local volunteers. Taiwan's Good News Gyeoksan Church was invited to the Gwanja Church's joint Sunday service on the 17th. Gwanja Church is currently an established church with 5 churches in Kaohsiung and has been interacting steadily since 2018. After watching the CLF promotional video, missionary Kim Jang-hoon of Gaoshan Church preached through Matthew 19 that eternal life can be obtained through Jesus alone. Pastors and members of the Wilderness Church expressed their desire to continue to spread the gospel together with the Good News mission. Good News Myeokina Church in northern Myanmar held a mission school opening ceremony, Christian Youth Association meeting, and English camp for 5 days from March 16th to 20th. At the Christian Youth Association meeting hosted by the youth of Myeokina Church, 130 people attended English-speaking activities, recreation, and mind lectures, and many students were convinced of salvation. Meanwhile, the opening ceremony of the Myeokina Church's mission school was also held. The Myeokina region is currently unstable due to civil war, but the gospel is being actively spread through the youth of the Myeokina Church. On the 22nd, Good News Mission Kampala Church District Bible Seminar season continued this week with District 3. This seminar in particular attracted many students from the various institutes within the district, and the brethren of District 3 were full of joy seeing the new souls that attended gain assurance of eternal life. Pastor Prince, who was invited as main speaker, preached on Leviticus chapter 4 verse 27 to 31, explaining how God already washed away the sin of the world perfectly. Afterwards, members gained faith to believe in God, who helps us when we move forward with work of gospel amidst difficulties. After the district seminars, all members had joyfully turned their focus towards the upcoming Grand Easter Seminar starting 28th of March with the fresh faith gained during preparation of the district seminars. On the 23rd March, the IYF Uganda to Jendi volunteers had a cleaning campaign project at Kibuli Modern Market where they implemented various volunteer activities. They began with activities such as sweeping and scrubbing different dirty places of the market, including the trenches. They undertook these activities joyfully and energetically, rejoicing the hearts of market vendors. After cleaning, they gathered outside of the market where the councillor of Kibuli Division Honorable Nansenga and the market vice chairperson Mr. Samwa Mohammed gave speeches expressing their gratitude.
We thank the owners and the managers of this marketplace. Thank you so much for having allowed us to come and clean this market.
Chairman Chizito ne vice we Simbwa Muhammad era tuli naye wano naye tupebaza okubanga mukkiriza bajje batulongoosa akatale kano.
We warmly thank the committee that sat together, the chairman and his vice, in order to make this day happen.
Era tubebaza era tuli basanyufu nnyo nga bannakibuli. Tuli basanyufu bannange mwebale nnyo abavubuka okujja okutuyonja. Tekisangika nno okukuŋŋaanya abavubuka bano ku mulimu guno gwa Nakyewa. Mukama abawe ekyekisinga okwagala.
It is of a rare case for join all the youth together in order for them to come and clean up this marketplace. May God richly bless you.
Tubalinze nga mukaaga manyi kigenda kuba kika nnyo nnyo n'okusinga wano.
We are waiting for you on the 6th, and we know that it's going to be more massive and more powerful, more than today.
Kami Simbwa Muhammadi atenza akulira ebyokwerinda era security eri bulungi. Tweyanziza abagenyi baffe kye mutukoledde ate era tusaba mukole ekisingako ekyo.
A Congo Claire, the chairperson of the IYF cleaning campaign, also gave a speech, and the program concluded with different performances from the GNCs and the Tajendi volunteers. The IYF promised the market vendors to come back and paint the market on 6th of April.